Hi, I'm Ticky. Here we're going to learn technical concepts in a really easy and friendly way. Today, I want to explain the difference between sync and async. In simple terms, sync means you have to wait until a task is done before you can do anything else. Async means you can hand off the task, go do other things, and you will get notified when it's ready. So the whole idea is sync means wait here and async means hand it off and keep going. Now let me show you how things work here at Task-kery. First, look at this line on the left, the one labeled sync. Here every little character that comes up to the counter has to stay right there until its job is completely finished. As long as this one isn't done yet, it can't step aside. And the next task can't really move forward either. In code, that means a single thread is locked on that one piece of work and can't do anything else. In code, your calls look something like this. What does that mean? It means until the work finishes, your program isn't allowed to move on to use result or anything after it. If that work takes a while, that same thread, and sometimes it feels like the whole app, seems stuck on that one thing. Now, let's look at the right side where it says async. Here the story is a bit different. A character comes up to the stand, we register its task, the status board switches to requested, and then the character is free to step away from the counter. But in the background, our little Task-kery is still working on the task. When it's done, the board flips to ready, and we signal that character, your turn is up, come pick up your result. In code, that looks more like this. First, you start a long-running piece of work, but your program doesn't have to sit there and wait. The rest of your code can keep running, and later, when that background task is finished, you come back with a wait and grab the result. I'm really glad you were here. See you in the next video. Bye!